Welcome to another episode of Urban Exploring. In this episode, we take you to the deserted and abandoned Apollon Motor Inn, Victor Harbour, South Australia. Established in 1976, the motel is situated in the heart of Victor Harbour, just a 3-minute walk to the beach. Apollon Motor Inn boasts a heated indoor swimming pool and free parking in its available car park. The inn also offered air-conditioned rooms with flat-screen TV, lounge chairs, microwave, a refrigerator and tea and coffee making facilities. Each of the rooms have seating area and a private ensuite bathroom, making it an enjoyable stay for motel guests for its retro charm and convenience for budget-conscious travellers. The property also offered conference facilities. The motel was within walking distance to all of the cafes, restaurants, and the beautiful beaches that Victor Harbour has to offer. A short 45-minute drive to Cape Jervis, you can board the Sea Link ferry, which is a 45-minute cruise to the beautiful Kangaroo Island. But in early 2023, the Apollon Motor Inn decided to close its doors for good and is now permanently closed. Join me as we explore what's left behind from a once accommodating budget motel.
Hey Steve, what would you like?
Gin and tonic, thanks mate.
Gin and tonic coming up. There you go.
Cheers, thanks
Tonic.
mate. Cheers.
Bed linen in there. This is obviously where they kept all the laundry stuff. Oh, look at that. It's a heater and it's still in there, I think. Oh no, it's not. Okay, well. Alright, well, let's go into the rooms. I'll just do a quick walk through these rooms just so you can get a bit of an idea. You know, these, look at this. Look, there's still a hairdryer there. Toilets are heaps clean. I wonder if they still float. No. They're quite clean actually. I've seen worse. So. Look at these chairs. They're in good condition. Look at that, guys. Just do a very quick walk through. Oh wow, check this out. It's a kitchen. This reminds me of the Hungry Jack's kitchen I went into a couple of months back. Bandit Hungry Jack's. It's very sticky in here. What's in here? Oh, wow. They've still got their computer systems here. Their phone systems. Wow.
We've got these stairs now, so just see what's up here.
Okay, now I was told that up at the top floors there was a squatter living there, so let's hope. Oh, Gemma's room. I wonder if this is the room she was living in, because we actually met someone that told us that she was living here. So I don't think she's here in the moment, but I don't really want to invade on her privacy, so we'll just go out and have a look. Okay, let's walk down here, see what's down this end. Okay, what do we got? Oh, wow. Oh, that's the main dome. I don't know if you've seen the drone fly over at the start, but yeah, we'll walk back down here, see what's here. Yeah, so this would have been where the guest came in to check in. Okay, what's in here? This might have been a guest place. That light's pretty cool. We have a swimming pool. Well, that glass is broken. That would have been the indoor swimming pool. That would have been the heated swimming pool. Look at that shark. How cool is that? Alright, I'm just going to turn my light back on because I had to turn it off because I didn't want anyone to see me. But, alright, let's walk back through here. Okay, what have we got here? Okay, alright, so let's walk down here. This is the cellar. We'll walk down here, see what's down here. Okay, is that a bed? Is that where another squatter might have been? What have we got in this storeroom? Teapots. So what's that? Might have been for the toilets. Toothbrush. Okay, we won't be using that. And it's a bit creepy down here, actually. I might go back up. Let's go back up again. What do we got here? Conference room. Okay, all right. Let's go back up again. Okay.
So much stuff in here, guys. There's a blanket. I'm almost expecting there to be someone down here. Uluru. Wildlife, wow. Where's that light coming from? Oh, it's coming from up there. Alright, well. There's the kitchen. Okay, I've been through here. Right. This must be the conference room. Wow. look at that old cupboards.
What a damn shame that's destroyed, that cupboard. I mean, that would restore quite well. Oh, wow, look at this one. Even that would restore. What have we got down there? Okay, gee, it's windy today. I can actually hear the wind blowing through this building. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds eerie. Ugh. Oh, wow. Look out there. We were going to get some storms today, so that looks like there is a storm brewing out there. So, yeah, gee, it's windy. Okay. What have we got in these rooms? Another room. Yeah, all these rooms are just totally trashed. That's a cool cupboard. Those cool lights. We've got the toilet. Yeah, I didn't want to look in that toilet. That looked pretty gross. But all right, let's go and have a look and see what's in the next room. Yeah, what do we got there? Got the lounge, got a mattress, got that table, got some cool cupboards, built-ins, another toilet, clean toilet. All right, let's go back out. So that's room 4. I'm not sure how many rooms it was here, so we'll keep walking and see. This one is another room. This had a double bed. Same layout as the others, but with a double bed, no couch. Someone's probably stolen it. Okay, we'll see what other rooms there are. This looks like it might be the last room. See my shadow. Okay, what do we got? The fluoro link. Toilet with a fan. Okay, yeah. Got a plane flying over. Yeah, it looks like there might have been squatters staying in some of these rooms, perhaps. Alright, let's see what's around there. Nothing there. Alright, we'll keep walking down here. So we've seen all these. We'll go and see what's around up here. Okay. What have we got here? Yeah, this looks like a pretty cool room. Still with a lot of stuff in it. Wow. Built-in wardrobes. Toilet looks pretty clean. Alright, let's go back out. See what we got out here. See what this room is. Another room. I mean, these rooms would have been pretty luxurious in their day, so yeah. Another clean toilet. At least the toilets are clean, so if there was people that wanted to stay here that had nowhere else to go, yeah, they'd feel quite comfortable. Alright. Yeah, that looks like the end of... Oh no, there's more rooms there. Alright, let's go in there and have a look.
Oh, look at that, guys. Someone's been sleeping in there. You know what, guys? I mean, if I was a squatter, have a look at that. It's perfect. That's room. Okay, yep. No, we've seen all this. Alright guys. Now we have seen all of this. So we will catch you on another explore, wherever that may be. This is the place that I've explored today. Tell you what, it's so phenomenal. Here's Cheree going upstairs.
Thank you for watching this episode of Werner's Adventures. I hope you all enjoyed the EP. This was one of my favourite explores. We spent the day here just looking around and to see if we could find anything telling us why the Apollon Motor Inn closed its doors for good. But we found nothing as to why it was permanently closed. Was it due to lack of funding, or was it just another chain of business that closed from the COVID outbreak? Please leave a comment down below if you know why the Apollo closed its doors. I would like to thank my good friends Aussie Urban Exploring for joining me on this explore. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like and share out the video, and please feel free to hype and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you, and see you all at the next episode of Werner's Adventures.